on camera?
No. I'm thinking we're gonna have to put some, can't really see. I'm gonna have to put some lights on in here. You know? We'll turn the light on.
There's a light for that too, in case.
There's the fire. Hey, Had, come here. Cause like, I can't even see the pups. Mommy. No poo. Thanks, Heath. Just have some Christmas music on. Oh, wow. This is Kenzie. Kenz. Now another one. Look at this big moose. Tequila with the little tongue sticking out. Look at. Look at.
Candy, you can't go over there.
Mommy, go find mommy. Oh, and there's Hollywood.
Mommy, look at Candy.
Look at the face. Can you get it?
Yeah.
Are you close to her?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see how big you are. You are just a big one, though. Phew, look at that. Holy cow, you little chunker. What's going on with that? Whoa, look how fast she goes, too.
Candy.
Kenzie's like, I'm going to catch a ride with you. Bring me to mommy. Whoa! That's not right.
Look at Candy. Look at Candy.
That's mommy butt. He's like, stay there. Let's just sleep. Tequila's like, come on, man. I can't move. Get off me. Hey, cutie. What do you think, Mommy? Look at the little tail. Look at this big tail.
She's like a rat tail.
See how fat her tail is.
Mom.
Look at this. Look at this. She's putting her feet underneath herself. She's gonna fall. Let her go. Kenz, that's not mommy, honey. Look, right? Kenzie, let's say. You're a cutie. Hey. Look at the face.
Mom.
She looks brown.
Mommy, look.
Doesn't she look brown
Look at
compared
the
to the
tongue.
other ones?
Mom, look at the tongue.
Sticking out. Jeff, can you get it? Can you get that?
She's so cute. Show everyone your red little belly.
Look at
Look,
her
look at
face.
the chunk.
Can you see that fat belly? Look at her just laying there.
Look at the
Usually
tongue.
she's screaming.
She's so tired. Look, Mom. Mom, look. You see? She looks like she's dead.
Well, look at how big your tongue is there, Hollywood. That's messed up. Look at.
Kenzie, you're gonna get rolled on. You licked that baby.
Clean the baby.
Look, look,
now that
look
she's
at the
all
tongue.
awake. Still sticking out?
No, it's back in, but it was. And putty little feet.
She's so big.
Look at Mama. Hi, Hollywood. See you. Didn't see you yet. You have a fat belly. Look at the little line.
Oh, that's so cute. Look at the little stripe she has.
Aww.
She is so cute, though.
Wait, stretch her out again.
Those stripes.
Hey. She kind of has like a line going down the back of her too a little bit.
Yeah. Her hair like meets in the middle and rises or something. Hey. Puppies are so laid back. Mommy, you can't just do that.
Oh, where you going? Oh, now you're sitting on him. Whoa.
Kenzie and Tequila are like, what?
And Hollywood's like, look at Hollywood. Hollywood's like, all right, let's just lay here. Look at Hollywood. Okay, whoa, whoa.
Tequila's like underneath Prue's butt.
Just sleeping. Just look at how big she is.
Kenzie, are you eating?
Yeah, look at Kenzie. Kenzie, wrong spot, dude. Pooh, come here. Prue, let her eat. Prue, lay down. Yeah, now she's. You're in the wrong spot there, darling. Did you see what she was eating? Oh, look at that pork. Look at the porker.
Look at the tongue. Do you see the tongue out? His tongue still sticking out. Look, 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 look. Look, she's like.
Look at her eating. Can you get a picture of her eating, baby?
You have to move Prue's head.
Why don't you move? Why don't you move, hun?
Because she's to lay down anyway. She's like worried that.
You might want to get from this way so you can actually see the way she's sucking on it. Like eating meat. Look at her biting it. Arr. Look at that. She's like, how much more can I get in my mouth? Come over here this way, babe. Hun. Look, look, look. Oh. Let's try another one.
Is Tequila sleeping with her tongue out of her mouth?
Look at, look at her. Oh, great. Now she turned it. Wait, on this side.
That figures.
Latch her back on.
Come on, Ken.
Let me stick on another one.
Come here, mommy girl.
Pro, you're so retarded.
Come here, mommy girl.
Ken.
Good girl.
Right here. No.
Oh, yeah.
She's not getting it.
Here, look out.
Maybe she's not hungry anymore. Hey, maybe I was wrong. No. Mommy, lay down. She's just tired.
Now you're just gonna sleep there? Shit, come on. Let me just get really comfortable. Like,
Look at Tequila. Look at Tequila. Her leg keeps going up and down.